The Food Service Exchange presents.
My Crown Verity barbecue tip today is from Steve Adams, three-time Canadian champion who knows a clean grill.
Murray, you have to have your grills clean when you're in the public eye. What I like to do is, first of all, I open my grill, burn off all of the crud and little pieces, and use your brush. You're going to make sure that you can get it as clean as possible. Then you're going to take your grills out.
Yes.
And you're going to put them in your cold grills, and you're going to put them into a garbage bag, and you're going to spray them with some Crown Verity barbecue grill cleaner. And you're going to seal the bag up, and if you can leave it overnight, it's even better.
Okay.
It's just going to eat those grills, all the crud and the burnt food.
Will it bring it back to this color, Steve?
Pretty close.
They are
pretty
burnt.
close,
I
Murray.
mean, the
Pretty
steel
close.
is burnt. Okay.
I can clean this and bring it right back to this color of stainless. And then what I do is I take the regulator and I put a bag over the top of it, and we spray this product on the inside, and we power wash everything out, brand it back to brand new.
And you need that because of your demonstration.
Absolutely.
You're on television a lot with this barbecue, and it's got to be clean.
I don't know of any barbecues, Murray, where you can just open the lid, spray it, and power wash it.
No, you're right. Absolutely.
You hit the knobs, you hit everything. You're not going to hurt it.
That's right.
And you have to love the big wheels. I pull it out on the lawn and go right over to an area where
keep on rolling.
They do.
Crown Verity, keep on rolling.